Welcome back to 60 Seconds at CS Speed. Today we were making this rear frame rail. You can see the two jig bars in and the strap that's holding it in place. It's set perfectly level, parallel to the other bar. Here's another jig we designed for holding our transaxle at the right height and in the exact position it needs to be in for installation. You can see we got the upright bar here was jigged in place with a setup like this just to keep it the right distance left to right. That's basically it for the day. Just wanted to show you what's going on. There's your daily dose of 60 Seconds at CS Speed.